Okay, this is me, top of the grinder. This is it. This took 50, 56, 57 minutes. There's my little bite. That was hell. You can probably see that it's a very, very hot day. It's about 9:15 in the morning. So we set off at 8:15, but that was too late. So Mike's coming, but I left before him. He should be here soon. No sign yet. He won't be long. I'll see him come up this hellish hill in a minute. So, yeah, where is he? Let's wait a little bit more. Here he comes. It's a really, really horrible ending, whoops, because it's cobbled and steep, and in fact the last 10 minutes of this ride is just appalling. Anyway, it's a great view. We'll see some live action blaspheming in a moment. Probably a complete meltdown. Come on, Mike. You're on candid camera. That was a nice little flat ride. Come on. Really close. Really close. Well done.
Got mouth like a camel's crutch.
Camel's crutch? Yeah, okay. Right, let's give him some water. Well done.
Whoa.
That was tough, eh?
Just sped up there.
That last bit, well done.
No, you did.
Oh,
Swept up it.
I was going for it.
Did you beat your
I beat my time.
Did you?
I beat my time by about a minute or two.
I'm pleased.
Yeah, yeah.